The raw milk is carefully pumped from the tanker into our state-of-the-art facility, maintaining the highest quality standards. Here in the lab, we perform rapid antibiotic and somatic cell count tests to ensure the raw milk meets our stringent quality standards.
These intricate stainless steel plates are the heart of the pasteurization process, rapidly heating and cooling the milk flow.
As the unit standardizes the fat content, the control panel actively adjusts the cream levels. The process is now complete.
The pasteurized milk flows rapidly into the massive stainless steel cheese vat, ready for the next stage of production.
The automated system precisely doses the starter bacterial culture powder into the warm milk, beginning the fermentation process.
Through gentle agitation, the starter culture is evenly distributed, creating the perfect environment for the milk to thrive.
Trickles. The rennet enzyme is now introduced into the vat. This vital step initiates the coagulation, causing the milk protein.
Now we wait as the enzymes work their magic. The still milk slowly begins to set, forming a perfect coagulum. We gently test the firmness and clean break of the coagulated curd and whey mixture with a clean paddle. The wire grid blades slowly descend, cutting the gelatinous mass into precise cubes, allowing the whey to separate. The blades move through the vat, precisely slicing the fresh curd into tiny, uniform cubes.
Here we see the curd and whey mixture, slowly swirling as the solids begin to separate from the liquid. The agitators turn slowly as the steam begins to cook the curd. This heating process causes the curd to shrink, expelling the whey.
Once the target acidity is reached, we open the valve to begin the whey drainage process. The mixture is then conveyed into the heart of the AHS, beginning the final stage of maturation. The long curd slabs are precisely cut into uniform blocks here in the automated cheese-making system. The curd blocks are now fed through the mill, which shreds them into smaller pieces in preparation for salting and final pressing. This controlled application of salt is essential for the aging process, ensuring consistent flavor and texture.
The salted curd is automatically scooped and funneled into large, stainless steel pressing molds.
The hydraulic rams descend with immense force, squeezing the fresh curd until the whey is expelled and the cheese is firmly bound.
The fresh cheese wheels are submerged in the large, cold, saltwater brine pool for final salting. The conveyor system maintains a steady pace, ensuring every wheel and block receives the optimal airflow in our state-of-the-art facility. In the cool, humid embrace of the aging cave, the fresh wheels begin their long transformation. Precision is paramount here. The aging cave holds endless rows, where time and temperature transport the simple curd into something extraordinary. Day 47. The automated curator ensures that every wheel is turned with precision, guaranteeing even maturation.
After months of careful aging, the cheddar reaches its peak, a crystalline texture and a rich, complex aroma.
Meticulously aged for optimal flavor, the cheddar block meets the precision wire, ensuring a perfect cut and consistent quality.
The finished cheddar is precisely sliced and then shredded, ready for packaging on our high-speed lines.
Our automated system rapidly evacuates the air and introduces a modified atmosphere, ensuring maximum shelf life for the finished cheese product.
The final stage, precise labeling and branding, ensuring quality and freshness for our finished cheese product.
Our finished cheese product is automatically conveyed, palletized, and secured with a tight wrap, ensuring freshness during refrigerated shipping. To ensure the highest quality, every tanker undergoes a rigorous, automated, high-pressure wash cycle between loads.
The system maintains a precise 72.5 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal pasteurization.
The stainless steel agitators gently stir the milk, preventing the cultures from clumping together and ensuring a consistent texture.
Observe the clean break in the coagulated mixture, showcasing the perfect, silky texture of the curd.
Regular maintenance ensures the integrity of the curd cutting blades between batches.
The mixture must be heated slowly and evenly. Keep stirring gently until the digital display confirms we have reached 95 degrees.
The continuous drainage of the whey is critical, ensuring the massive volume is handled efficiently before the next stage of production.
The AHS conveyor system precisely guides the fresh curd mass, maintaining optimal temperature and consistency throughout the process.
The high-speed rotary mill aggressively tears the cheese, resulting in these perfectly uniform, crescent-shaped shreds.
The salted curd tumbles inside this rotating drum, ensuring even salt distribution before pressing. At this scale, automation is key. The molds are filled in a continuous stream, ensuring efficiency across the entire line.
We perform a quick moisture check on every wheel. When the light turns green, the reading is complete. Submerged in the brine bath, the fresh cheese absorbs the salt. This crucial step enhances the flavor and preserves the wheels for aging. The precise control of our airflow system ensures every wheel dries evenly, locking in the freshness.
The key to perfect aging lies in the precise control of the environment, ensuring consistent humidity levels. Here we utilize the latest technology to measure the elasticity and firmness, ensuring every wheel meets our rigorous standards.
The hydraulic wire cutter ensures perfect uniformity, slicing through the dense block with absolute precision every time.
The cascade of our finest shredded cheddar flows directly from the slicer into the waiting packages, ensuring optimal freshness.
The finished cheese product is meticulously vacuum sealed, locking in freshness with our state-of-the-art machinery.
Every package passes through our sensitive metal detectors, ensuring absolute purity before being placed in crates for shipment.
And so, the shift ends with a thorough sterilization, ensuring quality control is maintained across the plant.
Inside the pasteurizer, the raw milk is rapidly spun, utilizing centrifugal force to separate the heavier cream from the skim milk.
The temperature control interface ensures the milk is held at the precise incubation temperature for the culture, exactly 30 degrees Celsius.
Warm water is introduced to the curd and whey mixture to wash the curds. This critical step slows the acid development necessary for certain types of cheese.
The automated cheese-making system, or AHS, gently tips the curd mass for whey drainage and moisture control.
The milled curd and salt are mixed in a large, clean tumbler before going to the molds.
Precision alignment is critical before the compression cycle begins. The hydraulic press ensures a perfect seal. The hydraulic press exerts immense pressure, squeezing the final drops of golden whey from the fresh curd.
After pressing, the operator performs a crucial visual check, ensuring the wheel's symmetry and ideal texture before it moves to aging.
The precise salinity of the brine solution is paramount for the integrity of the process.
This fine mist of beneficial bacteria is crucial for developing the rich, complex flavors of the washed rind.
The acidity test confirms proper fermentation. We submerge the electrode into the mixture and wait for the precise reading. The robot arm accurately positions the block, ensuring a perfect slice every time.
Every hour, thousands of pounds of our finest cheese are prepared for distribution across the nation.
Once perfectly aged, the cheese is vacuum sealed and precisely loaded into its protective retail casing, ready for shipment. Once the finished cheese product is packaged, the automated system rapidly stacks them into shipping boxes for transport.
Our state-of-the-art facility combines precision engineering with a commitment to unparalleled cleanliness and efficiency.
These massive double-walled stainless steel silos ensure the raw milk is kept at the perfect temperature, maintaining freshness and quality. The heat exchange system utilizes recycled thermal energy to rapidly warm the incoming milk, ensuring efficient pasteurization.
The CIP system blasts the interior surfaces, removing all residue with a high-pressure water and chemical mixture. The precise cut of the gel directly impacts the expulsion of the whey, a delicate balance of science and craft.
The mixture is now gently agitated and heated, a process that encourages the curds to release the clear, yellowish whey.
The automated cheese-making system, or AHS, applies gentle pressure to the curd, squeezing out excess whey and developing the final structure.
A generous application of crystalline salt begins the milling process, drawing out moisture and enhancing the flavor.
The hydraulic press exerts consistent pressure, shaping the fresh curds and expelling the whey through the intricate mold structure.
The fresh cheese block receives a breathable wrapper immediately after pressing, ensuring the perfect initial seal.
Submerged in the brine, the wheels absorb the perfect amount of salt, crucial for flavor and preservation. The electronic tags attached to each wheel allow us to precisely track their age and location deep within the aging cave.
We meticulously inspect each batch for any internal defects before packaging.
The finished product is precisely measured and cut by our automated system into uniform retail portions.
The finished cheese product undergoes rapid, high-volume wrapping and sealing, ensuring peak freshness.
The final pallet of finished cheese product is secured, ready for distribution. The automated system ensures maximum efficiency and safety.
Our state-of-the-art laboratory ensures every batch meets the highest standards of quality and safety.
This intricate network of stainless steel ensures the raw milk is transported seamlessly from the holding tanks to the...
Here we see the operator reviewing the critical data points on the main control interface, verifying the temperature and pH levels are within tolerance.
The agitators give the curd and whey mixture a final, slow stir before the full drainage begins.
The automated cheese-making system performs a precise tilt check, ensuring optimal separation of the whey from the delicate curds. The curds are now milled, creating the signature curd rain as they fall onto the conveyor belt, ready for the next stage of salting.
Here, the raw elements are forged in a chorus of steam and steel, creating the components for progress.
Here we apply the batch number and date directly to the wheel using our automated stamping system.
Submerged in the cool, clean brine, the cheese begins its transformation, slowly drawing in the salt that defines its character.
Stacked high on these ancient wooden shelves, the cheese slowly matures, absorbing the unique atmosphere of the cave.
We carefully extract a sample to verify the internal color grading and ensure the absence of any structural defects. Precision is key. This alignment guarantees the highest number of retail cuts from the fresh wheel. We perform a simple squeeze test on the finished cheese product to ensure the vacuum seal remains intact.
Once packaged, the finished cheese product is immediately transported to our state-of-the-art cold storage facility, ensuring peak freshness for distribution.
This is the heart of our operation, a continuous 24/7 process that highlights the sheer scale of modern dairy production.
In the quiet stillness of the vat, the true transformation begins. The milk coagulates, forming the foundation of the cheese to come.
Through this specialized pipeline, the remaining whey is transported to a separate facility for critical protein concentration and utilization.
The automated system completes the final precise cut of the curd slab before the milling process begins.
The automated system precisely stacks the molds for multi-level pressing, ensuring perfect alignment before the deep hydraulic hiss begins.
This polymer coating is essential for the aging process, protecting the cheese from unwanted mold while allowing it to breathe.
Observe the crystalline structure. This is the mark of true maturity. Experience the pinnacle of flavor. New artisanal cheddar bites. Elevate your everyday snacking.
Here at the Indus Dairy Plant, we work around the clock to ensure fresh products reach millions across the region.
Here, the transformation begins. The purest milk, crafted by science and steel, into the finest cheese. The mixture thickens and the separation begins. The golden curds coalesce, distinct now from the shimmering, verdant whey. This raw hydraulic power is essential, compressing the fresh cheese into its dense, final state.
Deep within these ancient walls, time works its magic. The wait.
Behold the masterpiece of maturation. A triumph in every block.
This facility represents the pinnacle of modern dairy production, a symphony of steel and science working in perfect synchrony.
As the sun sets on another day, the global staple remains. The finest cheese for the finest palate. Excellence, aged to perfection.